Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at another example of a reactive mass calculation, and we'll go through the same 3 steps. The first step is I need to read the question and identify the 2 chemicals from this reaction that I'm interested in. So the question says, what mass of ammonia, so I'm interested in the ammonia, could be made from 42 tons of nitrogen, there's my nitrogen, when it reacts with an excess of hydrogen. So what mass of ammonia? I need to find the mass of this could be produced from 42 tons of nitrogen when it reacts. To help with this question, I'm going to need to use my triangle, which is mass over Mr. Moles. And my first job in this process is to convert this mass into moles. I want to work in moles. So to find the moles is mass divided by mR. So the first job is moles of nitrogen, N2, and the moles of nitrogen are going to equal the mass divided by the mR. So the mass from the question is 42. The mR in this example, I'll just slide a piece of paper in here to help us to do that. So we want to find the mR of nitrogen. Nitrogen, there's 2 of them, so it's N2. The relative atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, times that by 2, so it's going to be 28. Okay, so the mR that I need to slot into here is 28. So I've got 42 divided by 28, and that's going to give me an answer of 1.5 moles. Okay, step 1 done. Step 2, okay, step 2 in this process is you now need to find the stoichiometry, the ratios from the equation. So I can see here that I've got 1 mole of N2, and it's forming 2 moles of ammonia, 2 moles of the ammonia. Okay, I've just worked out that I've got 1.5 moles of the nitrogen. So just to help you make sure you get this right, what I like to do is say, well, I'm going from here to here, and I've got to double it. Therefore, to go from here to here, I also have to double to make the ratio stay the same. So that's going to give me 3 moles of the ammonia. Final step, I now know how many moles I've got, but I've got to convert that into a mass. So I now need to find out the mass of the NH3. Go back to my triangle. Mass is the mR times by moles. So let's write that down. mR times moles. Let's bring my sheet back across. Okay. Let's find the mR for the ammonia. So mR for ammonia. There is 1 nitrogen and 3 lots of hydrogen. So that's 14 times 1. 1 times 3. That's 14 and 3, gives me a total of 17, okay? So 17 is my mR, times that by the number of moles, which is 3, and that's going to give me an answer. You can use your calculator to give you an answer of 51 tons, isn't it? Sorry, 51 tons. The reason it's tons is because the question stated tons at the beginning, so I don't need to do anything. It starts off in tons, it will end up in tons, so I've got 51 tons of ammonia. It's going to be produced by 42 tons of nitrogen.